Hi there, everyone. I just wanted to show you this React project that we might never get launched, but we spent so much time on. So this is for the website Children's Health Defense. We redid the whole site from WordPress, and we can see that one is still live. Childrenshealthdefense.org, you can view the live WordPress site, and the homepage has changed a bit, but basically we did an entire rebuild using Next.js and Tailwind, and of course Next is built on top of React, so we have this homepage sliders here, Defender section, links to another kind of sub-site called the Defender, and yeah, we started with we were still using the WordPress CMS for the back end, for the content management system aspect, not for the front end at first, and we were using the WordPress API, and but after the plan was to move the whole project to Sanity for this headless CMS, and we started doing that, and then right a little bit after we started, we quit the project. So we have all these menu items here, different pages, all of it custom built with React. Yeah, so just wanted to show you that so you can take a look at it. But that's it. Yep, this is our site rebuild. We have different pages, cards for support. The donate page is one that I worked on a lot. There was a lot of different conditional functionality here. So we have like different kinds of donations. The donation form is custom built. And depending on what options you choose, there's other options that come up. As you can see, when we select different things are changing. And we have this when you enter your amount, we get the pop up here, and we get the values that are adding together, like this. Membership fee $10 plus donation adds to 32, and then we got this one here, doubles to 44. So that's pretty cool, and all these demographic fields down here as well. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick view of all these things we've been doing. But yeah, that's it. That's the Children's Health Defense news site that we might never use. So all right, thanks for watching.